Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and charging the Barracuda X above 20% so you avoid sudden shutdowns while testing. Once done, remove ear cup foam with a spudger. You want to expose the shell screws. Use a small Phillips to remove visible screws and gently pry the plastic seams to avoid clips breaking. Make sure to organize screws by size and side. This initial teardown reveals the mic connection area, and the internal boom wiring you will inspect and repair next. You now look closely at the mic flex and the small board where it joins the headset. Use a magnifier. If you see cracked solder or a lifted pad, reflow with a low-temperature soldering iron and a tiny amount of flux. This restores electrical continuity. For a severed cable, strip 1, 5 to 2 mm, tin conductors, and solder to matching pads, making strain relief with hot glue or heat shrink. Once connections are solid, test continuity to confirm the mic circuit is fixed. You reassemble by reversing teardown. Align shells, press clips until they click, then reinstall screws without over-tightening so plastic does not strip. Power on and pair with the USB dongle or Bluetooth, then open a voice app to test the mic while you speak and move the boom. This checks for intermittent faults. If issues persist, wiggle test the repaired area and test with another device. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio drops only with the dongle, update or replace the dongle before reopening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.